Hi everyone, this is CA Piyush Agrawal. Today I am here to present you some insights on UAE's corporate tax on small business relief. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is small business relief, who are eligible to take its benefits of a small business relief, revenue threshold related to small business relief, and who are not eligible for small business relief. So what is a small business relief? A small business relief is provided to small businesses resident for the purpose of corporate tax in the UAE. FTA has introduced this concept to ease the implementation of corporate tax and reduce the compliance obligation faced by the small businesses in the UAE in this early stage of corporate tax regime. Although the eligible taxable person had an option to choose for a small business relief at the stage of return filing. While they were filing the return for corporate tax, they had an option to choose whether they wanted to opt for a small business relief or not. So who is eligible to take its benefits? Any eligible taxable person being a resident taxable person for UAE, either a natural person or a juridical person with a revenue below or equals to 3 million dirhams for a year in the relevant tax period and all the previous tax periods. For example, if a taxable person is having a revenue more than 3 million dirhams in 2021, then it cannot opt for small business relief. That is, since the incorporation of a business till the return filing due date, if in any single financial year the revenue exceeds more than 3 million dirhams, then that business cannot opt for a small business relief. Now let's discuss about the benefits of a small business relief. Eligible taxable person who has opted for a small business relief is not required to calculate their taxable income, and instead of full tax return filings, they have gotten benefit from simplified tax return filing and record keeping requirements. Moreover, they can prepare their financial statements on cash basis of accounting, and they are not required to maintain transfer pricing documents, and they've got a huge tax relief as they are not required to pay any corporate tax on the income earned in that tax period. Now let's move forward and discuss about revenue threshold and what all would be the part of revenue which is required to be below or equals to 3 million dirhams. Revenue is defined in the corporate tax as the gross amount of income derived from a business in a tax period. Revenue includes income from all the sales a business makes, any other gross income it receives, such as income from sale of an asset, any non-cash receipt. For example, transaction made on a barter system would be recorded as revenue on market value of the exchanged items. There is one thing that would not be a part of revenue. VAT collected on sales would not be treated as revenue while calculating revenue, which should be below or equals to 3 million dirhams for this chapter. Now let's discuss who is not eligible to opt for small business relief. There are two key exceptions to this criteria, where a business is a member of a multinational enterprise group or a business is a qualifying free zone person. These are those two specific areas or those two specific cases wherein a business cannot opt for a small business relief even if their revenue is less than or equals to 3 million dirhams. But if a qualifying free zone person elects to be subject to corporate tax under Article 19 for a specific tax period, then it would be considered as a free zone person, and then it has an option to opt for a small business relief if their revenue is below or equals to 3 million dirhams. This is a way a qualifying free zone person can opt for a small business relief, even though it is an exception to the eligibility of this chapter. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I'll try my best to get back to you with more such videos. Thank you.